आपको मालूम है ये जो मैं वीडियो भी बना रही हूँ ये ऑलरेडी हो चुका है मैं इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे ऑलरेडी वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ। मैंने सुबह कार में ऑफिस जाते जाते ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया था, लेकिन मैं फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स के बारे में पता कैसे बात कर रही थी। तो हम फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स को साइन कर, भाई ऐसे थोड़ी बात करने वाली न्यूज़ है, इतनी ताबड़तोड़ खबर है, उसको मैं ऐसे धीमी आवाज़ में थोड़ी बोलूँगी। पहली बार लिवरपूल ने ऐसा उठ के आके बिजनेस किया है और मैं उस बिजनेस को ऐसे धीमी आवाज में बोलूंगी, इट्स नॉट फेयर बिकॉज आई वाज द वन हु हैज क्रिटिसाइज्ड एफएसजी अ लॉट, यू नो दैट। एंड नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर मी टू लाइक गिव देम credit where it's due. They have done a brilliant job because this is what we're going to talk about in the video, and that is Florian Wirtz. And let's not waste any more time and get into the video right now. वैसे दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope well and good. You know what? That is the most important thing that matters. So Florian Wirtz का here we go कल रात फेब्रिजियो रोमानो ने ट्वीट कर दिया. Now here we go ऐसे बोला है कि होने वाला है, कुछ दिनों में हो जाएगा. By the way, deal is 150 million add-ons included. That is the deal. 150 million euros. That is what Liverpool is going to spend. And this is something I can't even believe that Liverpool is spending that much money. Because usually we never did that, you know. Whenever it comes to us like being ambitious in the transfer market, we would not do that, but now we are doing that and I'm so happy about that. Now the thing is, आपने पूरे सोशल मीडिया पे फैन बेसिस से ये बात डेफिनेटली सुनी होगी कि भाई तुम इतना ज़्यादा स्पेंड कर रहे हो, इज इट इवन वर्थ इट, एंड क्या भाई लिवरपूल अभी तुम ये नहीं कर पाओगे, वॉट एवर दैट इज। ठीक है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ वाई 150 मिलियन यूरोज इज वर्थ इट। देखो, चाहे तुम फार्मर्स लीग बोल रहे हो कि फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स कहाँ से आ रहा है कहाँ से नहीं, बट यू नो इतना ताबड़तोड़ टैलेंट है फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स। चाहे तुम उसके पूरे टाइम बैठ के तुम उसके वीडियोस देख रहे हो, हाइलाइट्स देख रहे हो, नहीं देख रहे हो, इवन देन, बिकॉज फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स विल गिव यू गोल्स, फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स विल गिव यू असिस्ट, एंड फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स इज अ वेरी की प्लेयर राइट नाउ फॉर आवर स्क्वाड। देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर दैट। मैं आपको डायरेक्ट बात कर रही हूँ इसमें, वो इसलिए देखो ट्रेंट जा रहा है, चला गया है, जा रहा है कि चला गया है बंदा, ठीक है। तो सिंस ट्रेंट चला गया है, उसके क्रॉसेस, उसकी क्रिएटिव आउटपुट जो थी, क्रिएटिव आउटलेट जो एक ट्रेंट में दिखता था, वो कहीं ना कहीं अभी बंद हो जाएगा। एंड फ्रिम्पोंग इज स्टिल न्यू, वी नॉट नो हाउ ही इज गोइंग टू फिट इन द system, but that creative output that we used to get from Trent Alexander-Arnold, those crosses are not going to be there anymore. And you know, in the matches that Trent did not play, कहीं ना कहीं creativity में बहुत weakness दिखता था, बहुत problem दिखता था, ये तो है ही। तो फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स वो भी काम करेगा एज अ फॉल्स नाइन, एज एन अटैकिंग मेड, और एज कोई भी पोजिशन में तुम उसको खिलाओगे, ही इज गोइंग टू बी रियली रियली लीथल इन दैट पोजिशन। नॉट ओनली इज ही गोइंग टू स्कोर गोल्स, ही इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू असिस्ट our forward players, and that is what is needed, because in second half of the season for Liverpool, when Salah dropped his momentum, that is when you would see we were not able to register goals, and that was a very big problem for us. So which is why to tackle that, that's what he's going to do. और आप सही में सोचो, इतना डीप जाके अपने को बॉल कलेक्ट करना पड़ता है। आप लुइस डियाज का पोजिशनिंग देखो, कहाँ से जाके वो बॉल कलेक्ट करके आता है, फिर जाके ही ट्राइज टू क्रिएट समथिंग। आई थिंक वो जो एक बफर है वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने इस अटैकिंग मिड से बहुत थ्रेटनिंग होगा, एंड दैट्स वाई आई फील दैट वी हैव टू स्पेंड बिग बक्स। नाउ द थिंग इज, इट्स नॉट लाइक Liverpool did not have the money to spend, because understand this, we were actually going for Caicedo at one point of time, and Caicedo is the one who did not want to come to the club. That's another thing, but we were willing to spend around 120 million for him. We had money then, we did not spend because we did not find the right profile of the player that we wanted that should play for the team, and that is why FSG was not spending. And दिस इज समवेयर अंडरस्टैंडेबल कि जब तक तुमको अपने पोजीशन पे जैसा प्लेयर चाहिए वैसा नहीं मिल रहा, तब तक हम लोग कोई खरीदेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि बेफालतू को किसी को लेके आए और रखें तो उसका कोई मतलब है नहीं। तो विच इज़ वाई व्हेन दे फाउंड द प्लेयर दैट फिट्स द प्रोफाइल, they are going all out, the splashing money, and that is why you will see that Liverpool is so ambitious about Florian Wirtz. We have already signed Frimpong. We are going to go for Kerkez as well, and I'm loving this looking forward approach, this rebuild approach of my club. I'm loving that from our owners, and kudos to Arne Slot that he could bring that out from the owners. I don't know how did he do that, because I remember when we won the Champions League and after winning the Premier League as well, Klopp did not have that much leeway, if I can say that, to spend big. That did not happen. But yes, if you would think about it, in 2018, we did spend big on a very, very world-class defender, and that is Virgil van Dijk. We did spend big. Now, at that point of time, he became the most expensive defender that we signed. Not anymore, but at that point of time, he did become that. बट आप बताओ आज के टाइम पे अगर आप अपना बेस्ट प्लेइंग 11 बनाओगे वर्ल्ड में, वोंट यू पुट वर्जिल वैन डाइक देयर? 2018 में साइन किया था, अभी तक बंदा आउटपुट दे रहा है. इफ दैट इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रोफाइलिंग माई क्लब इज डूइंग, आई वुड टेक इट any day, any day. And then talking about the goalkeeper, we signed Alisson Becker like for huge money, and that huge money is still paying off. If that is the business my club is doing, I'm going to back that completely. लाइक नो क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट. और सब जो ये 150 मिलियन ये पैसा, अरे अगर वो ढंग से नहीं कर रहे, ये सब बोल रहे हैं ना, मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ भाई, नेट स्पेंड अगर आप देखोगे ना लिवरपूल का, कि जितने प्लेयर्स बेचे हैं और जैसे हमने उस बेची हुई मनी से जो हम प्लेयर्स खरीद भी रहे हैं ना, हम टॉप 8 में आते हैं. तो भाई ये जो तुम्हारी लाइक पॉइंट्स हैं ना कि भाई तुम बहुत स्पेंड कर रहे हो, ये सब चीज़ें, ये दिस गोज डाउन द ड्रेन. सो इट डज नॉट मेक सेंस एट ऑल. नाउ द थिंग इज, ऑफ कोर्स वी डू नॉट नो हाउ Florian Wirtz will work. Of course that is a worry, because when the club has spent so much on you, you have to deliver. The thing is, expectations will start from him from the first day, not from Frimpong and maybe not from Kerkez, but from Florian Wirtz, because we've spent so much money on him. So all the eyes will be on him, that how is this player doing? And that is correct. He has to bear that pressure if he is costing us that much. So that we will see what happens, going forward. इतना मैं उसके लिए stress नहीं ले रही हूँ. Now you'll talk about Darwin Nunez as well. Darwin Nunez, we spent big money on him too, but did not work. But you have to understand, Darwin Nunez was a sort of profile that Klopp wanted. Klopp wanted Darwin Nunez, but he was not in our radar, like in FSG's radar. We did not want to sign a player like that. But since Klopp wanted him, we had him, and it's fine. We are regretting the decision that we did spend big bucks on him. But if we are selling him to Atletico Madrid now, or if that's happening or not, I don't know. If we can get that much amount of money back, I think it's fine. It's perfectly fine. So I'm not going to lose my sleep over it. Now, going forward, did you see Argentina versus Colombia match last night? Did you see our Luis Diaz, our lad, स्कोरिंग दैट गोल? डीपॉल तो भाई पॉकेट में डाल दिया उसने एकदम क्लियरली. क्या तबाही गोल मारा है, खुद बना के आके वहाँ से कट इन करके घुस के भाई गोल मारा है बंदा. That is who Luis Diaz is. He has the flair, he has the quality, he has the speed, and he has the clinicality also. कहीं ना कहीं वो मिसिंग हो जाता है. बट अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, would you sell Luis Diaz? Would you sell? But if you will sell him, who would you want in that position? Because currently, this is what I feel, this is my opinion, that I don't think that there is any left winger that can be better than Luis Diaz if we sign them. Like any left winger that is on market and is better than Luis Diaz, I don't think that there is anybody. So I think that letting go of Luis Diaz at this point of time would be a huge mistake, because thinking about it, I don't think that anybody else even comes close to Luis Diaz when it comes to us signing a left winger. So I wish that we can make Luis Diaz stay. I wish we can make it work, because if we get anyone, I don't think that person would be of that quality. So which is why moving forward, I'm just hoping that हाँ, अगर जिसको बेचना है उसमें जो भी players आ रहे हैं उसमें Luis Diaz ना हो, I would really want to give him an year or two, and I'm hoping that he would do well, because if you have a machine like Florian Wirtz in the midfield, I do not know how he will perform in the Premier League, but I believe in the club, I believe in the signings, I believe in their, project in the which they search for the right profiling that fits the team, and that is what I'm relying on. So yeah, that is what I'm feeling about Florian Wirtz. I'm happy. So don't let other fans dial down your happiness. Cherish this moment, because we have waited a long time for this. So in January transfer window, when we were going for Kvaratskhelia, when I saw the price tag, I said my club is never going to pay that much money. I really, really thought that we're not doing it. Okay. And we did not do that. But now, when you see where we are club wise, where we are position wise, we are going to play Champions League next season. अभी Club World Cup में हम खेलने वाले हैं नहीं, बहुत टाइम मिलेगा पूरे टीम को जेल करने का and ट्रेन करने का. So I'm really looking forward to that, and moving forward I think it's only good news, and this is what FSG has done, and I'm really proud of them. And जो भी गिले शिकवे थे मेरे इतने टाइम से, मैंने इतनी वीडियोस बनाई हैं तुम्हारे लिए, तो let it go. It's fine now. We are moving on. So yeah, that is the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.